Joining me this morning is Nick Adamson, Director and Rural Property Specialist from Charles Stewart Real Estate. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning, Peter.
Nick, Charles Stewart Real Estate has got some terrific stories to tell, but I want to ask you today about the market. What's happening there?
Yeah, look, in the rural real estate market space, Peter, things are really buoyant. They're ticking over. We've been blessed with a really, really good spring, probably the best spring we've seen for some years, seasonally. If anything, we'd like a little bit of sunlight for the hay to cure and the lambs to bloom. But this is really accentuating the fact that the southwest is fast becoming the food bowl of Victoria, if not Australia. It's
looking good. And I know last Friday you had an auction.
Yeah, no, that was a ripper. A very, very strong result. At Carrabeal, we auctioned it in Hamilton at a function centre, and it finished up making $43.50 an acre for Carrabeal Plains country, which is a great result. Probably set a new level in the district. 4 or 5 bidders, underpinned probably, Peter, by the very, very strong mutton, prime lambs, to a lesser extent wool market, and it was a very, very good result. We started the auction at $2,700 an acre and went all the way to $43.50 with 4 or 5 bidders.
And I guess the low interest rates and the Australian dollar helps.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, it's a perfect storm out there. We might have said this before. Season, commodity prices, the dollar, interest rates, and, of course, rainfall security of southwest Victoria.
Maybe a silly question, but I'll ask it. Is it a good time to sell?
It is a great time to sell. One thing that I think will happen is that the market is moving south. Traditionally, the market's always emanated out of the high rainfall country in the south. This year and last year, due to the high cropping returns, the high red meat prices, it's moving south. So the opportunity to buy country worth the money in the south is still there.
Sounds like a pretty red-hot market and district. So, have you got any other rural properties for us?
Yeah, no, we've got some rural properties. We're right in the middle of our auction expression of interest season. We are about to put some more properties out there between now and Christmas time, and we've had a great stable of properties this year, Peter.
Nick Adamson, Director and Rural Property Specialist at Charles Stewart Real Estate. Nick, where can we learn more?
You can learn more by going to our website at charlesstewart.com.au, or I'd be happy, or any of the staff would be happy to answer any questions at our office at 134 Ferry Street in Warrnambool.
Thanks, Nick.